Nice hot day in the south here. I'm going to do a little quick review. These are, I've already got a video which I will link on how to replace these lower cable drives on the F-150 Panoramic sunroofs. And with those I was using I think Amazon or eBay or something, which was all that was available at the time, parts. Now since then I've had a ton of subscribers get back with me talking about how they put theirs in and they're grinding, or they're too stiff, or all kind of problems with those. Well, it looks like the answer to our prayers and to that problem is here. These, and I'm a few months late on this, but I had knee surgery and it just took me a little while to get back into it. These are the brand new latest version cables from the Sunroof Doctor. All right, y'all might have heard of Sunroof Doctor. I am going to say right now I am not affiliated with or sponsored by in any way, but I do buy a ton of parts from them because they're the best. And I've got these cables here, and I'm going to link the video on how to install them in the truck. But I'm going to show you how these work. But these look great. These are modeled after the new style Ford cables, which don't break pretty much. They just pretty much don't break. And these look just like them. They look just like the ones that come out of a brand new track. The cables are great. The length, as I've compared them, the length is great. And I'm going to put them in here and I'm going to show you how it works. But I just wanted y'all to see that we now have an option, as opposed to eBay and Amazon and wherever other off-brand cables that are probably made in a sweatshop somewhere overseas. Anyway, I will install these and let's see how they work.
A few moments later.
All right, it's all in and programmed. Listen to that. Pretty good. There's the full open. There you go. Vented. Shut. Open. One touch. Everything works. Well, don't know what else you can ask for. I did have to lube the cables a little bit. Sometimes they are a little groany, sometimes they are not. You even have that sometimes with complete new track units, but that's not really a big deal. You know, might get a little groaning noise and save a couple grand. So, but this one's pretty quiet, works fine, doesn't grind, no complaints. Highly recommend. Check out the Sunroof Doctor. That's who I get mine from. That's who I got these from. I did this for a dealership, so I'm putting my name on this repair, if that tells you anything. Talk to me, questions, comments.